Hello, I'm here to show you how to use the wedding invitation package here. We are in After Effects, and for using it, first go to Final Comp folder, choose one of these comps. For example, I choose number 11. Then go here to Edit Comps, Edit Placeholder, number 11. Open it, drag and drop your image inside the project. For example, I choose this beautiful ring and delete the other layer. Okay, then I go to edit text, number 11, open all the texts here, change the names, Leo and oh, for example 21st of December. Let's see, it's okay. Or you can change the address or type anything here you want. And for changing the colors and the other settings, go to color and setting folder here, number 11, choose this layer, go to effect control here. You can see all the colors and all the position controller here. For example, I change this to white, maybe change the lines to white. It depends on your, and that's it. Also, you can here change the duration of the composition here by dragging the end of the composition. I'm in the final composition. You can drag it, or it by default it's 10 seconds. For increasing the duration more than 10 seconds, hit Ctrl K or go to composition, uh, tab here and composition setting. You can increase the duration here, for example 15 seconds maybe, and you can increase the duration without disrupting the animation speed. Then for rendering it, you can go to composition, tab again here, and here add to render queue. The shortcut is Ctrl M. Simply hit Ctrl M and change your settings and render it out. Hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching.